This is the second lesson in Pythagorean theorem unit. Today we are looking at finding a leg when you are given a leg and a hypotenuse. This is a homework that goes along with it. Tomorrow night there will be an application homework that will be written in the notes or in the homework packet, and here's the rest of the information for what's going on for the rest of the unit. All right, you're on page number 6 in your note packet. All right, what's our formula? The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, take a look at this triangle. This one, we are given c. We don't know what a is. We know what b is. All the ones that we did last night, we were looking for the hypotenuse given the two legs. Today, we're given a hypotenuse and a leg, and we're looking for the other leg. Most important part is that you get the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the right angle, labeled as c. So, let's write down our Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. I don't know what a is, so I'm going to leave a blank. Plus, b squared is 7. So 7 squared, or b is 7. C is 12. Now, let's work this out. So, a squared plus 7 squared is 49 equals 144. Now, this is where the two types of problems differ. Yesterday, we were given two legs. So, solving at this point was easy. Here, we're given a leg and the hypotenuse. So, to solve this, I need to subtract 49 from both sides, because I want to get a squared alone. So, I will have a squared equals 95. Now, we're right back where we were yesterday. Take the square root of both sides. I know that this is going to be a little bit less than 10, approximately, because the square root of 100 is 10. If I use my calculator, I can round to 9.7. All right, here, we're given A, we're looking for B, and we don't know what C is. Or we know what C is. So, write the Pythagorean theorem. All right, A is 12, so 12 squared plus, we don't know what B is, we're going to leave that. C squared is 13. So, 12 squared is 144, plus B squared is 169. Now, to get B squared alone, I subtract 144 from both sides, and I get B squared is 25. Take the square root of both sides, B is 5. All right, here's some application problems. And with these, you're going to want to draw a diagram. So it says, one leg, so I'm going to draw a right triangle. One leg of a right triangle is 15 inches long. So my legs form the right angle. The hypotenuse is 25 inches long. So make sure you put that in the hypotenuse spot. What is the length of the other leg? I'm going to call this A, this B. This has to be C. Again, make sure your hypotenuse is in the C spot. So, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's see. We don't know what A is. B is 15. C is 25. So, A squared plus 225 equals 25 squared is 625. Subtract 225 from both sides, and I get A squared is 400. And last but not least, take the square root. So A is 20, and it'll be 20 inches. All right. The bottom of a 12-foot ladder is 4 feet from the side of a house. By the height of the top of the ladder above the ground. Well, look what I formed here. A right triangle. It says the bottom of a 12-foot ladder, so the ladder is 12 feet, is 4 feet from the side of the house. That's 4 feet. We want to know how high up the side of the house is this ladder. We're going to call this A. This is B, and this is C, because that's the hypotenuse. It's opposite the right angle. So, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We don't know A. Our B is 4, and our C is 12. Hypotenuse is 12. So A squared plus 16 equals 144. Subtract 16 15 from both sides, and I get A squared is 128. Take the square root of both sides, and you end up with A is approximately, that's an equal value with 11.3 feet. And I write approximately because we round.